We got this driver's side mirror on, and the custom emblems. Got the wipers, wiper arms and everything in place. And just a lot of little odds and ends, like I said before. This emblem over here. This door never had a mirror, so I'm not putting one on there. Everything's looking good. Lines look pretty good. Hood tends to want to come up a little high here. I think it's the seal. It might need to be, might need to wear it down for a while, but anyway, there it is. Making some more progress. Now we got to put these emblems on, the C10 emblems on, and some other little things later. Okay, we got this turn signal switch in there, and had to loosen the bolts that are on the underside of the column here, and went ahead and just clipped the old wires and pulled it up through the old switch. But the way this had to run down through there because of these two ends, these plug ends here that are curved, had to force feed them down through there using a paint stick. And once I got that done, I was able to put the switch over the shafts and everything and get the there's 3 screws that hold it in, and there's a screw right down through there. And of course, this is turn signal lever. So now we're gonna put the new cam on there, and that's the canceling cam for the whole setup. I want to put some dielectric grease right here. All right, see you in a bit.